Happy morning, my dear students. Welcome to the Active Maths. After enjoying the holidays, after celebrating the Eid and the Raksha Bandhan, let us now you enjoy the questions of exercise 6.3 class 10. Okay, let us see. First, you see the basic concept of the area. Suppose ABC and DEF. ABC and DEF are two triangles, and these two triangles are similar. I have discussed already so many questions about the exercise 6.2 also. Now the question from exercise 6.3. ABC Now I am going to discuss the questions from exercise 6.4 first. ABC and DEF are two similar triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of two similar triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to ratio of the area of two triangles. Because these two triangles are similar, this is given. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. It means AB square upon DE square is equal to AC square upon DF square is equal to BC square upon EF square. It means the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Generally, till last year, the proof of this theorem was very important. Generally, it was asked in the question paper. But now, in the syllabus this year, the proof of this is not in your course. Only that application part is there. Then how to use the area of this triangle. It means the ratio of the area of these two triangles, because these triangles are similar, is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. This proof we used to do till last year, but nowadays the proof is not there. Only how to solve the questions, the basis of this theorem. So that is why I am going to take the first question of your syllabus. See, triangle ABC and DEF. This triangle is similar to this. Area is 64 given to you. This is 121. EF is equal to 15.4. And what you have to find? You have to find BC. It means this is the question mark. See how to solve this question. As you know, the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their square of their corresponding sides. It means area of triangle this upon area of triangle this. The area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square upon EF square. It means the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. It means the area is given to you 64 upon this area is 121 is equal to BC square as it is, and EF square means 15.4 whole square. Okay, now what you will do? Just you will take the square of both the sides, square root of both the sides. Here these are the squares, so you will get 8 upon 11 is equal to BC upon 15.4. Because this is the square, 8 square upon 11 square equal to BC square upon 15.4 square. It means 8 upon 11 equal to BC upon 15.4. It means 8 into 15.4 upon 11 is equal to BC. Now you can cancel it. 11 1 जा 11, 11 1 जा 11, 11 4 जा 48 जा 102 is equal to BC. तो BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. 11 1 जा 11, 11 4 जा 44. It means 11.2. It means the BC is 11.2. Now next question. Question number 2 is AB is parallel to DC. See, in this question, what is given to you? AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD given to you. And you have to find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle DOC. Okay, what you have to do? You have to find you have to find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle DOC. Let us see. First you have to show these two triangles are similar. How you will show these two triangles are similar? See, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. You will write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 means alternate angles. This angle is equal to this angle. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Vertically opposite angles. And this angle is also this angle. This is also alternate angle. It means both the triangles are similar by the property A similarity. So both the triangles are similar. As both the triangles are similar, it means the sides are in the proportion. So therefore area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD. You can write here also, no problem. That triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD or DOC you can write. AOB or you can write triangle DOC. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC. It means both the triangles are similar. Why these two triangles are similar? AOB and DOC. This angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles. This angle is equal to this angle, alternate angles. This angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angles. Both the triangles are similar. It means the sides are in proportion. Is equal to AB square upon DC square. The area of triangle AOB. AB is equal to AB is 2CD. It means 2CD upon DC square. So you can write here area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle DOC is equal to 4CD square upon CD square. CD square cancel. The answer is 4 upon 1. It means the ratio of the area of these two triangles AOB upon DOC is 4 upon 1. Now question number 3. You have to show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. What you have to show, beta? Let us see. You have to show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. Okay? What you have to show? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. So let us see how to prove. What you will do? First you will do the construction. First you will do the construction, draw the altitude. Draw the altitude AE on the diagonal BC and draw the altitude DF on the diagonal BC. तो क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन मैंने किया है? Draw the altitude AE on BC and draw the altitude DF on BC. This is BC. Okay. Now just you consider the area of triangle ABC. The area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into base. Base is BC into height is AE. One by 2 into BC into AE upon area of triangle DBC. So area of triangle DBC is equal to 1 by 2 into base. Base is BC into height is DF. So what you can write here? This upon BC will cancel, 1 by 2 cancel, is equal to AE upon DF is equal to AE upon DF. AE upon DF. Now let us see. Now I am taking these two triangles. This one triangle and this is another triangle. AE upon DF you got. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AE upon DF. AE upon DF. This angle is equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angles. I am taking these two triangles. AOE and triangle DOF. And this angle is equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angles. And this angle is equal to this angle. 90 degree. Angle E is equal to angle F. 90 degree. And angle AOE is equal to angle DOF. AOE is equal to angle DOF, vertically opposite angles, and this angle is equal to 90 degree. It means both the triangles are similar. Which triangles are similar? Triangle AOE is similar to triangle DOF by the property angle similarity. This is clear to you? Again I want to explain you. In these two triangles, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle AOE is equal to angle DOF. Vertically opposite angles, and angle this angle AEO is equal to angle DFO 90 degree. It means both the triangles are similar. Similar means sides are in proportion, and sides are in proportion. You got here already AE upon DF. It means it will be sides are in proportion means these two triangles are similar. So you can write AE upon DF is equal to OA upon OD. AE upon DF is equal to OA upon OD. एंड AE अपॉन DF जो है OA अपॉन OD के इक्वल आ गया. तो AE अपॉन DF जो आपने लिखा है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DBC इज इक्वल टू AE अपॉन DF. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ AE अपॉन DF यू कैन राइट OA अपॉन OD. इट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DBC इज इक्वल टू OA अपॉन OD. दिस इज OA अपॉन OD. I hope this is clear to you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you and have a nice day. In my next lecture, you will get the other questions of this exercise. Thank you.